Hello everyone, in this video we'll see Simpson's rule and implement it in our programming language. We're gonna solve a simple question and implement it in the R programming language using Simpson rule. So here's the question. Using Simpson rule, integration 0 to 2 fx dx for the data set is given below. For x 0, 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, and fx have some values. We have to derive this integration from 0 to 2 of fx dx and choose one of the correct option. So we have just made a program using our programming language to solve this question. Here's the program. Here just first set n equals to 5, that is we have 5 data sets. So we have set n equals to 5. Then according to a question we have taken a vector x and y and given it to the value 0, 0.5, 1, so as the value given in the program, and in the y we have given the values, that is 3.89, 3.52, and so as the given in the program. We can also take the values from the user. I just commented this portion, not used it right now. We can also take the values from the user also. Then we have derived the value of h, that is the difference between the two x coordinates, that is x2 minus x1. Then used a variable sum to store the value of first and the last y variable. It is the y value of the first value and the last value of the y. Then used a for loop that will loop through this vector from 2 to n minus 1, that is 4. And if I is divisible by 2, that is if I is an even number, that is the y is of at the even place, then sum is equals to sum plus 2 into yi. Or if the y is at the odd numbers place, then the sum is equals to sum plus 4 into yi. Then we have just multiplied our answer with h by 3. Then we have print the answer and source this program. So our answer is given here, like area is for 0.4238 or something. That is a whole lot of big value. So according to our question, the right answer is B, that is 0.4458. So the answer to the value, that is the integration 0 to 2 fx is 0.4458. Thank you.